The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, spanning across 9 countries. In South America, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The majority of the Amazon rainforest is located within Brazil, covering about 60% of the total area. It spans approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, which is 2.1 million square miles. The Amazon rainforest boasts an incredibly diverse array of animal species. It is estimated that around 390 billion individual trees, representing over 390,000 plant species, and houses approximately 2.5 million insect species. There are numerous species that could be considered dangerous due to their venom, size, or predatory behavior. It's important to note that while these animals can pose threats, they typically avoid interactions with humans. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredibly diverse array of mammal species. This vast and biodiverse ecosystem provides a rich habitat for a wide range of iconic mammals include jaguars, pumas, ocelots, tapirs, anteaters, and various monkey species. Amazon River is teeming with diverse fish and aquatic life, and a home to freshwater dolphins and manatees. It also has some dangerous species like piranhas. Although often portrayed as more dangerous than they actually are, piranhas can be aggressive in large groups and have sharp teeth. The rainforest hosts an extraordinary number of bird species, such as toucans, parrots, the iconic hoatzin and harpy eagles. Numerous snake species, including anacondas and vipers, inhabit the region. Colorful poison dart frogs, caimans, and iguanas are also part of the diverse fauna. The largest of alligator species can be found in the Amazon River. The biotic pump is a concept proposed by Russian scientists Anastasia Makarieva and Viktor Gorshkov, associated with the St. Petersburg Nuclear Physics Institute. The biotic pump hypothesis suggests that the process of transpiration, where trees release water vapor through their leaves, creates low-pressure systems over forests. This low-pressure system, according to the theory, can draw moist air from the ocean into the interior of the continent, promoting rainfall. The idea is that forests, through their evapotranspiration processes, can influence weather patterns and contribute to maintaining a humid climate. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous indigenous civilizations with rich cultural histories. Examples include the Yanomami, Kayapa, and Ashaninka. Indigenous communities have traditionally lived in harmony with the rainforest, relying on sustainable practices. Archaeological evidence suggests the existence of ancient civilizations in the Amazon, challenging the notion that the region was sparsely populated before European contact. The discovery of large, pre-Columbian settlements raises questions about the impact of human activities on the rainforest's landscape. Various national parks and reserves have been established to protect portions of the Amazon rainforest. These areas are crucial for the preservation of biodiversity and indigenous cultures. Conservation organizations and governments are working together on regional and global levels to address deforestation and promote sustainable practices. Initiatives focus on combating illegal logging, supporting sustainable agriculture, and raising awareness about the importance of the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest attracts tourists interested in experiencing its unique ecosystems and wildlife. Sustainable and responsible ecotourism initiatives aim to provide economic opportunities for local communities while promoting conservation. Balancing the economic benefits of tourism with the need to protect the fragile ecosystem poses challenges. Proper management and regulations are essential to minimize the impact on the environment and indigenous communities. The Amazon rainforest has been a focal point for scientific study due to its unparalleled biodiversity. Researchers conduct studies on plant and animal species, seeking to understand their ecological roles and potential applications in medicine and technology. Scientific studies often collaborate with indigenous communities, incorporating traditional knowledge about the rainforest's flora and fauna into research efforts. The Amazon rainforest is crisscrossed by an extensive network of rivers, with the Amazon River being the largest. The river system includes tributaries such as the Negro, Madeira, and Tapajos rivers. The rivers support diverse aquatic life, including various fish species, river dolphins, and manatees. The riverbanks are crucial habitats for numerous bird and mammal species. Efforts to address deforestation, support sustainable practices, and protect the rights of indigenous peoples are crucial for the long-term health and survival of this extraordinary natural wonder. The Amazon rainforest, with its unparalleled biodiversity and ecological significance, is a vital part of the global ecosystem.